Hello and welcome to Armed for Creations. My name is Ashley. Today I wanted to share with you the best place to buy SVG files. So what is an SVG? A SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphic. Basically, no matter what size you change the design to, big or small, you will not lose any quality. So I use SVGs a lot for my shirts in my shop and a variety of paper crafts, but you can use them for card making, wood design, decals, and more. You can use these files with your Cricut, Silhouette, or any cutting machine. The websites that I will be suggesting are my top 3 places to shop. So let's get started. The first one is design bundles. I really enjoy design bundles to purchase any files really, but mainly my SVGs. They have over 200,000 SVGs in their marketplace. They also have bundle sales and dollar sales, so make sure to sign up for their email list so you can stay up to date. And here's an example of one of their bundles that they have for sale. Most of the time they're for limited time. So this bundle includes a variety of crafts that range from SVGs to sublimation. And designs included are perfect for the holidays. And here are some examples of their free designs. So if you're new to using SVGs and you just want to practice before buying, check out their free design section. They update this very regularly and it comes with a commercial license as well. So like I mentioned before, most of the designs come with commercial license, which means you can resell the designs on items like shirts, mugs, anything of that nature. They also have a Plus membership that you pay monthly for. Depending on what tier you choose, you'll get so many free credits a month. You also get a discount code and access to a dollar deal event after party. So like today they had a dollar event that I wasn't able to attend due to work, but being a member I'm still able to participate in the event. So they have a variety of options to choose from. So if you're looking for birthdays, graduation, awareness, and more, Design Bundles has you covered. And I just love that majority of their shops have affordable SVGs and sublimation PNGs at an affordable price. Just some examples of all the files that they have just for 21st birthday. There's several pages. So now let's head over to our next website, which will be Creative Market. So Creative Market is another great place to purchase SVGs. Just like Design Bundles, they offer personal and commercial license with the purchase of a SVG or any file rather. But make sure you check out their free goods section. They change on a weekly basis. So whatever 6 items that they have this week in the free section is usually only available for that week. And they also have fonts in this store, on this marketplace. They have block themes, Canva templates. They offer a lot of great digital items. And here I'm just showing you where they show you the commercial license or extended license. So for our very last website will be Etsy. and I am in love with Etsy. You can find pretty much anything on their site. Only thing about Etsy is a tad bit different than the previous two websites due to licensing. On the other two marketplaces, it was pretty clear what licensing you will be receiving. On Etsy, no shop nor listing is really the same, so just make sure to read the seller description to see if the licensing is for personal use, commercial use, or unlimited use. So we'll check out one of these listings. So make sure to always read the description, which will be right here. And she's letting you know the different formats that they have available. And she also does a great job of answering what you can use a design for. There's no guessing. But if you're ever still unsure, just message the seller to confirm before buying. Majority of the shop owners will respond and let you know. I've done that in the past and they've always been very friendly. And also you can put in commercial use at the end of your search, and that will help filter out some of the listings as well. And showing commercial use, still check the description just to be sure, but more than likely if it has commercial use on the front, it's for commercial use. So that's it. I hope you found this information helpful. If you made it this far, please like and consider subscribing to be a part of my growing crafting family. We would love to have you. Have a great day, guys.